Alright, so Corsair is expanding the lineup of gaming headset. The latest HS60, for example, features surround sound and at a very interesting price point, to be honest. $49.99 for this one, guys. We gotta start with the unboxing, right? Let's get into it. Hey, how's it going, guys? Robin here on Chips Media, bringing you the best tips and tools for gaming on this channel. You'll find PC components, tech gadgets and console accessories, as well as product reviews and unboxing. So if you're interested in that, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any uploads. Now in this video, we gonna unbox the HS60, which is a stereo gaming headset with 7.1 surround sound. This is all working through a USB deck. We're gonna take a look at that in a few seconds time. So a few things going on the front. HS60 surround stereo gaming headset, 7.1 surround sound, and it's compatible with PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, Xbox One and Nintendo Switch, and even mobile device, though you need to be aware that you might have to buy the Microsoft adapter if you own a older Xbox One system. Hold on a second. If you got a newer Xbox One, you already have the 3.5mm jack here. Otherwise you need the adapter. This is basically what the adapter looks like. PlayStation 4 already has that, so you don't have to care about that. But anyway, we got memory foam ear pads, we got premium build quality and durability. We'll see about that. 50mm audio drivers, which is I wouldn't say standard, but nothing special about that. Let's flip the box around. What else do we got? Premium build quality, legendary Corsair build quality, featuring rugged metal structural components, ensure long-term durability. Fine, that sounds good on paper, but yeah, we obviously gonna test this in the full review, see how and find out how good the material actually is. Plush memory foam and adjustable ear pads, exceptional comfort. Cool, sounds great. We have crystal clear microphone, and this one is actually detachable, guys, which is nice. If you want to take it out, you can detach the microphone. Easy access on-ear volume and mouth controls. So the included USB adapter unlocks virtual 7.1 surround sound for PC, delivering immersive multi-channel positional audio that puts you in the middle of the action. So the only difference between the HS60 and the HS50 is the epic surround sound, as Corsair likes to call it. But right now Amazon is having a sale on the HS60, so you can pick it up for the same price as the HS50. But I've been rambling for way too long now. It's time to actually open the box and see what we got. Let's see. Nice. What is this? What is this? Is this supposed to fall out? I don't know. Let's put it back in there. A few things here, guys. We got an instruction manual. Wow, almost 50 pages. Definitely don't have time for that one. What else do we got? A few more things here. Warranty, I think. No stickers this time. Corsair always disappoints me. Alright, so we got a pretty long cable. This is quite long, 1.8 meters. Cool, nice. And this is the DAC, the USB DAC, the virtual surround that only works with your PC. And if you don't need this, you can actually buy the HS50, guys, because this is the only difference between these two. Let's have a look at the headset. It's locked in place. Right, there we go. Nice. All right. Very sturdy. I wouldn't say it's super heavy, but it's definitely not the lightest headset I've ever stumbled across. But it feels high quality. It feels well built. Okay, no squeaking, no cracks here. It does feel high quality. There's no RGB, no fanciness going on with this one, which I kind of like. So this is the spot where you actually attach the microphone, right? So you take this off, you simply just plug in the microphone just like that. And if you want to go fancy with the 7.1, you connect this to the USB DAC and you got 7.1, right? If you want to use it with your console, for example, all you gotta do is obviously just connect it directly. And you got interesting headset for your console as well. I like that. Only one cable, though it's not the thinnest cable out there compared to the Turtle Beach PH22. Now, what is your thoughts on Corsair in general? What is your thoughts on their build quality on their headsets? And regarding virtual surround, is it just a gimmick or is it worth paying for? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Expect a full review coming out within the upcoming days. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. And until next time, have an awesome day, alright guys? Bye!